welcome to DB Spotlight with me, Preeti Hoon. This is the show where the industry leaders indulge in a heart-to-heart talk with me. सिर्फ उनकी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के बारे में ही नहीं, जानिए ऐसा क्या है खास that has taken them to the top of their game. What they like, what they hate, where was their first date. गाइस, कहा जाता है कि कमिटमेंट लीड्स टू एक्शन एंड एक्शन ब्रिंग्स योर ड्रीम क्लोजर. लगता है कि ये कोट जैसे कि आज के हमारे गेस्ट से ही इंस्पायर्ड हो. इन्होंने HDFC लाइफ को अपने 10 से भी ज़्यादा साल दिए हैं. अगर आप इनके फेसबुक फ्रेंड हैं तो इनकी टाइमलाइन पर इनके अचीवमेंट्स के भी आप बहुत बड़े फैन होंगे. इन्होंने हाल ही में गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में भी अपना नाम दर्ज कराया है. आज है हमारे साथ ऑन DB स्पॉटलाइट none other than Sanjay Tripathi, Senior Executive Vice President HDFC Life. Hi Sanjay, welcome to the show.
Good.
How are you doing?
Good.
So, I'm dressed up this only for you.
Wow.
I'm totally inspired.
So you are running regularly?
Yeah, actually after seeing your post, I started to run regularly. Guys,
Wow.
he has so many achievements on his timeline that I actually got inspired and thought of wearing this only for him today. So पहले बात ये कर लेते हैं कि गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स मतलब उसकी बात ही रह गई थी, तो उसके बारे में भी बता दीजिए कि क्या आपने अचीव किया.
Like September 6 I ran Satara Marathon. So Satara Marathon this time they entered in the Guinness Book as an attempt. So there's a single mountain. So 2,600 people crossed a single mountain, and which is 1,059 meter up. So that itself become a Guinness Book of Record because the Guinness Book representative over there. So
नेक्स्ट टाइम आप जिस मैराथन में जाएंगे आप मुझे भी लेके जाना, क्या पता मेरा नाम भी आ जाए गिनीज बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में. ओके, तो बाकी की बातें आए भागते भागते कर लेते हैं. चलो लेट्स गो. So Sanjay, how does running inspire you in your daily work?
well, running teaches you discipline. Running teaches you how to remain focused. Running teaches you how to really look at a goal and break it up. When you're practicing for a marathon, it's a really big goal. That's a 42 kilometer or
It's really
21.
not easy. I mean, 42 kilometers is something. I mean,
Yeah.
you really have to put in everything in it.
You can't really start with 42. You have to gradually take it up from 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers. So what it requires a lot of determination. It requires a lot of self-control in terms
Right.
you have to eat right, sleep properly. So you will really remember, like Saturday night, Sunday generally we do long run because you are slightly rested on Saturday. So Sunday you can run more and you can come back and relax slightly. So what happens, like Saturday night you can't party.
Right.
And I think it is up to from you, and you have to really think like. If you for your work it requires a lot of focus, for making that happen your body needs to be right.
If I remember, आपका एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ था and then you started to run. मतलब एक आपकी लाइफ में pitfall आया and then you picked yourself up from there and built on it.
Yeah, I think what happened is like 2003 I met with a very severe car accident. So I was in Bichkandi for a month. So when I came out of the thing, I just wanted to prove myself that I am like the same thing, like because that fear is not there. You can drive, and I just
let's run.
Yeah.
Okay. तो संजय, काफी फर्क पड़ता है ना जब आप लाइक माइंडेड लोगों के साथ भागते हैं ऑन डेली बेसिस.
Yeah. So basically, people say the same passion with you. It really helps because you learn a lot from them. What to eat, how to prepare for a run.
संजय, आई थिंक ये जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जिनमें हम इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं, स्पेशली ऑफ कोर्स रनिंग विच इज़, तो उसी से शायद मतलब आपका जो ये ओवरऑल पर्सोना है वो डेवलप हुआ है एंड यू हैव बीन एबल टू अचीव सो मच इन योर लाइफ. आई मीन,
Well, it helps you to become a better all-round professional. You're fitter, your mind is calmer, and it helps you in professionally. Also, it helps you to give a lot of new friends, different segment. You actually can discuss and do things differently because see what happens when you are professional. You work for one particular sector. Let's say for banking or FMCG, you only meet those kind of people. Agencies, your own company people, or the competition. But here it gives you an opportunity to meet like-minded people
यहाँ
from
पे
different
competition
sectors.
नहीं है।
इसमें
यहाँ
कोई
पे-
competition नहीं है, सबको improve करना है, and every runner can improve. I think good thing about running is like it teaches you to improve every day.
बट टेल मी समथिंग, आपने HDFC लाइफ को अपने 10 साल से भी ज़्यादा दिए हैं, एज आई सेड इन हिज इंट्रो. सो हाउ डिड इट ऑल हैपन?
I never had any financial sector experience, but that point of time that the CEO Mr. Satwalekar, he said like, no, look, we look someone who understand customer, not understand BFSI or the finance as a sector. So there, when I initially came down 2005, we did our first campaign, Sarutha Ke Jio. So we did a customer research. We realized people are not buying insurance because they want to be secured or like safety. They want to buy insurance because they want their families should not depend on anyone else if something happens to them. So now we have launched cancer care. So so different life stages you look for
The
different
plan
cells.
for cancer, it reminded me, I think you had a picture with Lisa Ray recently on Facebook. Tell us something about that campaign.
Well, what happened, like, when we were working on the campaign, we never taken celebrity ever. So agency was not recommending a
Exactly.
celebrity. They said,
Acha.
like, take a common man and do. But cancer is a very, very difficult subject.
And she's a cancer survivor.
Yeah, yes. And when we did research, unfortunately, people can only remember 3 cancer survivors in India. That's really, really sad. So they only remember Manisha, Yuvraj and Lisa Ray.
संजय, मैंने पढ़ा था कहीं पे कि आपने ये कहा था कि आपका सपना है HDFC लाइफ को एक ऑनलाइन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बनाने का. So how is that bit going for you?
See, what I meant to say that, is possible today's world. You should really dream of a complete online insurance company where everything happens online. So you don't need branches like a e-commerce company, like a Flipkart, if they can operate, or Amazon
Yeah.
can operate without any branches. Insurance company today can really operate that.
Achha.
But to reach that level, you have to do a lot more technology integration, build the trust, people trust. And thinking innovation in terms of what will make that customer to buy online, come for service online, and come for claims online, and that should be the preferred choice.
Tell me one thing कि आपका ऐसा कौन सा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है पर्सनली जो आप कभी नहीं भूल सकते आपके कस्टमर के साथ?
That's who's head of Z came to my office. So at his else also, he said like, suddenly like, your campaign is really good. Can I buy the cancer care now? So he sat in my office. He bought the cancer care. I think that's a great achievement.
आपने आज तक ऐसी कौन सी अचीवमेंट करी है जो आपको लगता है कि it's something that you cannot ever forget and it's something worth emulating?
So from a marketing field, I've really achieved whatever my dream was. Like probably all the awards I got marketing of years multiple times.
हाँ, मैं वो लाइक्स देखती हूँ. 300 का लाइक आते हैं इनके फेसबुक पोस्ट पे. मतलब 300 से कम तो आप बात ही नहीं करते हो.
I never counted that way. What I realized when every time I go for campus, I realized they're very, very what we sell, their practical knowledge is very limited, and their dreams are bigger, but they don't know how to really reach out to the dreams. So when I see a youngster, so I can connect well with youngsters very well, and I generally connect well with people. So I thought I could have given more time to be school professionals to when they're growing up years, and in terms of helping them to become a better marketer or better professional when they come out, what to expect when they come out.
That's actually delivering to the ecosystem of
Yeah,
the
so
entire-
delivering ecosystem, I think I still try to do, but I think I can definitely do much more than what I'm doing.
So Sanjay, that was a great chat about your professional life. I hope you had a good time. Yeah, but we are in for better times क्योंकि हमने सुना है आपने हमें चाय पे बुलाया है. ठीक है, तो आप चलिए अपने घर पे and we will figure out कि what your personal life looks like. And आप चलिए वहाँ के पीछे आते हैं. All right, see you. Okay guys, I've reached Sanjay's place and I'm very excited to see his house. Come with me. Hello. Yay. Wow, that's like a really nice house, Sanjay.
You want to go inside and have a look?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's go.
There's a mask collection we have
Wow.
collected from different parts of the world.
Really?
Yeah.
That's really nice. Oh, that's a very well done room, yeah.
This is our room. So yeah, this is my books, whatever I'm reading recently. So there are a couple of the books like
Wow.
this about Amazon. This is about LinkedIn. Co-founder has written this book.
Oh, okay.
This is Malcolm Gladwell's David and Goliath, and it's a very, very good book. So these are some of the photographs like
Oh, nice.
it's my daughter, yeah.
Okay.
This is actually Tendulkar had given me. So there is
This one Tendulkar actually gave
yeah.
you.
So to Sanjay with love, the best of luck or something. Yeah. So these are like this is the study area kind of thing. So this is my daughter.
Oh, this is your marriage
Yeah.
pic. Guys, I think we must show it to the viewers. This is a lovely picture, Sanjay.
This one South Africa when long time back. I think we went to the Cape of Good Hope.
Oh, nice.
So this my daughter has kept 2 pieces over here.
Oh, hello. Gigi.
So from here you can actually see Mumbai, the corporate offices. There's the Star office. There's a Peninsula buildings.
Amazing. So what do you do out here? You like sit out whenever and
Yeah, so sit out like and once you come back from office, you can sit out, have your tea or read a book, do work
Yeah.
on laptop or something.
But I think when you have a house like this, you just don't feel like going anywhere else. I mean, if I had a house like this, I would be like, oh, I don't want to go anywhere. Forget about the holiday trips or anything.
I think the view is amazing. Like from this height, Mumbai looks
हाँ,
very
view
different.
का तो बात ही कुछ और है मतलब मुंबई का इतना
In the
अच्छा
night,
view मिलेगा
actually,
तो
night it almost like looks like an in a western city kind of thing because the lights all like all tall.
like an
buildings.
international
Yeah,
city
yeah.
एक proper feel आती है. Sanjay, I think you have a beautiful house. I also
thank you so much.
Oh, I also believe that because I think you have a beautiful heart.
Oh, so nice of you.
And guys, check out that smile. ये जब ये वाली smile की pose में ये picture डालते हैं Facebook पे, कम से कम कितने 1200-1300 comments हैं?
No, not
ये
like
वाली
that.
smile. So I think मैं वो जब comments पढ़ती हूँ तो my day is made, honestly.
Oh, so nice.
So I think you had a good time today with us.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's probably one of the very fun interview, like running in the Shivaji Park with you and coming to the home. Probably this is the first interview in home.
ये मैंने इनको कहा था कि end में बोल देना. Thank you so much, Sanjay.
Why don't you join me for lunch?
Yeah, okay, you go ahead. I'll just join you.
Thank you.
So guys, that was Sanjay Tripathi, Senior Executive Vice President HDFC Life, joining us for that amazing fun interview. आप लोग देखते रहिए DB Spotlight. I hope I am able to bring all those fun elements to this show, and my attempt is to bring out the other side of the CXOs of this country. आप देखते रहिए DB Spotlight. देखते हैं अगले हफ्ते हमारी स्पॉटलाइट किस पर पड़ती है.